Here is the second SMC Laguna 52-inch in antique brass, new in box. And no, that's not the same box as the other fan. The other fan is down here. Like I said, this fan is complete down to the original tassel, so that's pretty cool. Everything is in the box with it. So this one's gonna be ready to go. Very nice walnut blades. Everything is absolutely mint on it. Like I said on the polished brass one, this one could probably use a good wipe down and a good coat of wax or something, but it will clean up nicely. Definitely a very nice addition to any collection, or if you wanted to use it in the house, you know, I would definitely go for that as well. So here's high. Very quiet, no bearing noise. This one's a little better balanced than the other one. There's medium. There's low. Pretty nice low speed. Wouldn't expect that on a SMC spinner fan, but I was pleasantly surprised. You get a little bit of a sway there, but it's pretty much par for the course for these fans. Throw it in reverse. And there you have it, folks. Like I said, fully complete 52-inch SMC Laguna, new in box. Same deal as the last one. I will ship it out in the original box. If you want me to ship it out in another box, I can do that too for an additional fee. So I thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest if you got here from the eBay listing. Until next time.